to make your footage instantly cinematic? Here's a pro tip. Shooting on the dark side of your subject will transform any of your footage into a cinematic masterpiece. And if you master your composition, you bet that that's gonna look good. Okay, first let's talk about shooting on the dark side of your subject. This technique is called short lighting. It involves placing your key light just above your subject at the opposite angle of where your camera is. An easy way to add mood and contrast. Now let's dive into composition and framing. Using the rule of thirds is always a good idea as a starting point. But don't stop there. Using a lower angle to make your subject look more dominant will also enhance your composition, depending on the mood you want to reflect, of course. Speaking of perspective, using negative space effectively can also enhance your footage. So don't be afraid to leave a lot of empty space around your subject. Last but not least, experiment with asymmetry in your framing. Put your subject slightly off center or off the grid of the rule of thirds, and this might just add that little bit of contrast that your footage is lacking. Did you find these tips helpful? Hit that like button and make sure to follow for more. Welcome to my world.